I'll give you Bitcoin is garbage. It's got maybe a $200 residual value as a criminal token if you're a tax evader, a drug smuggler, or as I say, a child pornographer. That's your coin. I make the point that the people who invent these cryptos, they're brilliant applied mathematicians, coders, and developers, and they know nothing about monetary policy or monetary economics. Why on earth would you put a cap on the total valuation? So Satoshi Nakamoto, for all we know, could be a team of engineers from Raytheon trying to suck in the whole world, get all the information in reverse, leave that aside. Nakamoto hated central banks, hated the specter of inflation, even though we never got any, and just put a cap on the total number of Bitcoin. And the Bitcoin groupies say, well, see, there's a cap. So once we hit the cap and we're getting close to it, every Bitcoin will be worth more and more and more because the economy will expand, but there's a fixed number of Bitcoins. So Bitcoin can only go up because there are a few of them relative to the size of the economy. That's nonsense because what drives a currency is not the money in circulation. That's a base. That's a starting place. It's debt. It's debt and borrowing and credit. That's what makes a currency valuable. That's how you buy and sell and trade and invest. And it's all leverage. Well, if you fix the value of the currency relative to the economy and the economy grows, every unit of currency is worth more. It's inherently deflationary. That's what we talked about earlier. Well, who on earth wants to borrow in a deflationary currency? You got to pay back more in real terms. So there'll never be any borrowing. There'll never be a debt market. There'll never be a credit market. There'll never be a currency. That's a fatal flaw in Bitcoin.